Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
What is your name?
My name is Atif.
Atif, how many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages, but I can understand 4. And also I can speak some words of Hindi.
That's amazing. Can you name how many languages can you speak? Like name the languages you can speak.
Sindhi, Urdu and English. I can speak few words of Hindi के आपका शुभकार कि आप अपने शुभ कदम लेके यहाँ पधारी. And also I can understand Punjabi completely, but I can't speak.
Did you just speak Hindi? Can you translate that?
Yes. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप अपने शुभ कदम लेके यहाँ पे पधारी. मतलब कि आप हमारे अपने कदम लेके यहाँ पर आई. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Basically, I am mixing these languages, but you can understand.
Yeah, I understand. So are you fluent in all these languages?
I am fluent in Sindhi because it's my mother tongue, Urdu because it's national language, and English. But other than these, I'm not fluent, but I can understand.
That's amazing. Can you say some words in Sindhi? Maybe basics like how are you, what is your name?
या तव्हांजो नालो छा आहे, मतलब व्हाट्स योर नेम. ऐं तव्हांजी वॾी महिरबानी त तव्हां असांजो इंटरव्यू वठी रहिया आहियो.
What does that mean?
It means कि I am very thankful to you for taking my interview.
Okay, you're welcome. That's great.
Famous Sindhi slang ॾाढो मज़ो आयो.
That is a famous Sindhi slang?
Yeah.
What is that?
It means that we are enjoying a lot.
Dado?
ॾाढो मज़ो आयो.
Dado mazo ayo. Okay, that's amazing. So can you write in these languages as well?
Yes, I can write in these languages as well. The 3, Urdu, Sindhi and English.
And how did you learn so many languages?
As I mentioned, Sindhi because my parents are Sindhi. Urdu because I live in Hyderabad. I am from Hyderabad, and where there are 50% Urdu speaking, 50% Sindhi. So because of them, Punjabi because my friends are Punjabi. English because it is an requirement.
Okay. So can you say some words in Punjabi? Maybe some famous slangs?
रुलते गए हैं पर चस बड़ी आई ने.
Rulte gaya, par chas badi aayi hai. What does that mean?
It means that basically I am destroyed, but it was worth it.
Okay. So what do you think is the most difficult language to learn, or maybe that you have tried to learn?
I think Pashto.
Pashto.
I found Pashto very difficult to understand because the many people in our university speaks Pashto, so it's very very different from Punjabi, Sindhi, Saraiki and other languages of Pakistan. So I found it very difficult.
Okay. So have you ever tried learning Pashto?
No, because I don't understand it at all. So it would be very difficult for me to understand. And even I don't have such Pashto friends, so I don't think it's required.
Okay. So is there any language that you would like to learn?
Any language I like to learn might be German.
German. Any specific reason for that?
Because one of my future plan includes maybe going to Germany for masters. So I think I heard that in Germany people most prefer German. So I think it's a requirement if I to go there.
Okay. I hope you come to fulfill your dream. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for taking my interview.
Okay, that's you're welcome. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What is your name?
My name is Shahast Hussain.
Shah, how many languages can you speak?
I can speak 4 languages.
4 languages. Can you name them?
Persian, the original Persian, Iran wali side ki. Japanese, English, Urdu, a little bit of Punjabi, but it comes in Urdu, so it's fine.
So that makes five languages, yeah? Okay. So can you say some words in Persian? Basics?
Raza ko vishay bok hai se hijab dane hua.
Can you explain what that means?
Hijab suits on you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. And what about Japanese you said? Can you say a few words in Japanese?
I watch anime, so usse bol deta hu main. Daijoubu ka? Araske bok hai la. Izako sarong deo.
You have a great accent as well. And what does that mean? Can you translate?
It means don't worry, I'm the strongest. You won't die.
What about other basics like how are you? How do we say how are you in Japanese?
It's like there are basically two type of Japanese जो कि बोली जाती है. जो मेरी वाली है it's a little above beginner. तो you can say कि hariske wae, just like greeting someone.
Hariske bai.
Hariske wae.
Hariske bai. Okay. How did you learn so many languages?
Basically Persian तो मेरा अपना ही है, ठीक है, and Japanese through anime मेरा शौक था, मैंने Japanese सीख ली, then I visited Japan.
You have been to Japan?
I have been to 26 countries.
26 countries. Can you name them, please? Oh, you cannot name 26 countries, right?
Big ही हैं, I guess they're like Italy, France, Japan, Thailand, US नहीं गया अभी तक, UK और Malaysia और भी हैं, Holland गया था, दुबई गया हूँ.
That's amazing, man. You must be a vlogger then. Travel vlogger?
No, I'm not a blogger. Introduction दे रहे तो अपना सा I was the first Pakistani to be ever be in the Vogue PK. I was the first one to be selected Pakistan से for Vogue back in 2016. और I was the first ambassador of Outfitters, Pakistan.
That's so great. What language would you want to learn next?
I'm tired to be honest. Yeah,
I genuinely think you are tired right now.
it feels like नहीं different languages सीखना I think it's fun but बोलने वाला भी होना चाहिए ना. मेरे पास है ही नहीं कोई. मैं सिर्फ घर जाता हूँ, अपनी लैंग्वेज यूज़ करता हूँ, उर्दू बोलता हूँ, कभी कभी पंजाबी बोल लेता हूँ कज़न्स वगैरह के साथ.
You cannot speak these languages with any friend? You don't have any friend?
I have some friends in Japan. ईरान के कुछ हैं मेरे दोस्त, उनके साथ बोल लेता हूँ. बाकी इंग्लिश मेरे बाकी फ्रेंड्स बोलते हैं, उनके साथ बोल लेता हूँ.
So can you write in these languages as well?
In Persian, yes. English, yes. Urdu, yes. But no. Urdu बहुत weak है मेरी लिखने में, और English लिख लेता हूँ, and the Persian, Japanese, it's really difficult.
And what do you think is the most difficult language to learn?
Japanese.
Japanese. Do you have any advice for people who are trying to learn different languages?
यार एडवाइस एक ही मैं दूंगा कि इफ़ यू फोकसिंग ऑन समथिंग जस्ट फोकस ऑन वन थिंग. अगर आप एक चीज़ को छोड़ के आगे भागोगे दैट्स नॉट गोना वर्क इन योर लाइफ.
And how did you learn these languages?
जैपनीज़ का तो ये है कि आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन ब्रिटिश काउंसिल, ठीक है, फिर आई एम द फर्स्ट पाकिस्तानी टू बी सिलेक्टेड इन ब्रिटिश हाई कमीशन. द ओनली पाकिस्तानी, द यंगेस्ट एशियन एंड द ओनली इन द वर्ल्ड जो कि एट द एज ऑफ 22 जो कि सिलेक्ट हुआ था.
You are so talented, mashallah.
Yeah.
And do you think that learning multiple languages help you in any way?
Yeah, they do, I guess. Yeah, they do. It's more like if you're मेरे लिए जो जापानीज़ का ये फ़ायदा हुआ था कि मैं आई डू एडिटिंग एज वेल, तो आई मेक एमवीज एनिमे के. तो सीन ये था कि मैंने जापान में उनका हो रहा था VFX आर्टिस्ट का कंपटीशन था, तो आई गॉट 15 पोजीशन आउट ऑफ 6000. बट वही है कि लैंग्वेज इज़ अ मस्ट गो.
So do you want to permanently live in Japan?
No.
No. Where do you want to live?
Yeah, my dream life is a complete different life. It can be in Pakistan. I can stay in Pakistan. I consider myself settled in Pakistan. But the main reason is मैं जाना चाह रहा हूँ यहाँ से बाहर. Might be UK, but immigrants का थोड़ा सा problem है वहाँ पे. So I might go Italy. वहाँ पे मेरे friends भी हैं, family भी है.
But you're so fluent in Japanese language. Going to Japan would really help you, no?
यार खाना नहीं मिलता. हलाल फूड नहीं है जापान में, बहुत कम है.
Achha, I did not knew that. Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.